Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So you get started with the process. First thing to do is to log into your TD online banking account, then go to the TD Bank online, then sign in with your username and password. Then from there, you have to add the Bank of America account in the menu, then go to the transfer, then click on to/from external account, then add your Bank of America account details, which is your routine number, account number, and the account type, which is the checking or savings. Then TD may send small test deposits to verify your BOE account. This may take between 1 to 2 business days. Then after that, you have to verify your BOE account. Then once you receive the test deposit return to the TD online banking, then enter the exact amount to verify the account. Then from there, make the transfer. So go to the transfer again, then choose from your TD account, then choose to your verified BOE account, then enter the amount, then enter the amount, transfer date, and submit. And that's how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.